ಹೋಗು ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೋ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡು
ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ or right which way to go ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ you have to go only on this stick I suppose yeah on the stick only but be careful inside the cave yeah there are many awesome girls are there
Swami?
Who is the first wife, second wife, third wife?
I don't know.
Okay. Some interesting people, right?
Yes. What's your channel name?
Swami Vijay.
I get to move and still pass.
So hi everybody, we have reached the parking lot of this Antargange. So there is a parking lot. So after parking our bike, now we are going to trek. So here you can see this entrance, Dakshina Kashi Kshetra Antargange. So let's trek now. So if you come to this place, be careful with your bags and all those things. You can see so many monkeys, lots and lots of monkeys. So we started from Bangalore around 7:30 in the morning and we reached Antargange trekking starting point at 9:20. We came by two-wheeler, so I rode the bike slowly. So it's a moderate trek, it's not very difficult trek. There are two stages. First we'll go to the temple. From there we have to hire a guide to go inside the cave. Okay, so I take you there. In this video I show you the full trekking. You can see. So this is a place where the natural spring comes. So it is believed that nobody knows from where the spring comes. So they consider this water is very holy. So Antargange means like somewhere it is coming from inside. So nobody knows the route, the path of that river, and people collect water from here and they'll carry water. So while coming back, we may also try to fill one water bottle with this water. Now let's go to the exploring caves or rocks.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಪರ್ ಹೆಡ್ 150 ಕೊಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ತೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 250 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್.
So we are going to start the trekking with a group of like 10 people and he is the guide. What's your ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ನಿಮ್ದು? ಹರೀಶ್. Okay, so it's little difficult to climb holding the action cam, but still I'll try to show you the entire trek.
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾರುತ್ತೆ ಬಂಡೆ.
So we have to climb carefully, but this is not like difficult trek compared to Skandagiri or any other. Only this much part is little difficult, but from here after I suppose there are proper steps.
ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ
Slow, Rani. You don't climb like a pro. Climb. So this is inside reserve forest. So only Saturday and Sunday trekking is allowed here. Okay. And if you want to book this trek from like online, then you can book tickets on Eco Trail. From there you can book the ticket, but I don't think it is required necessary because very less number of people they visit this place for trekking. So you can directly come to this place and you can negotiate with the guide. It's not like Kandagiri. For Kandagiri you have to go with ecotrail.com to reserve or book a ticket at least 15 to 20 days ahead. Rani, he is climbing like a pro. Wait. Never stop anybody who is already ahead of you in climbing. They'll lose momentum. Here. Small rocks and boulders. Then you get steps here to climb up. So they have made these steps to climb easily. Tired? What's your name? Ayush. So we are a group of 10 people. Negotiated for 1,000 rupees. At what time you started climb?
We started around 6:15.
6:15.
But we walk very slowly.
Okay.
The cave takes little time.
Okay.
Very narrow and a lot of people.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
What's up?
Fine, how so?
Good. Have fun.
Thank you, same to you.
But be careful inside the cave.
Yeah.
There are many awesome girls are there.
Okay. Is it slim or slim only? Okay. Thank you. So we are ahead of those people. They are just to stop for a while. It's completely rocky area. Now we are feeling heat. Hot. So he told us to go forward because the batch which is coming is too slow. So that he told me to go ahead and stand here at coconut vendor shop. What time is started? 6:30 we started. Okay. Listen. Let me show you from here. So this is the view from this place. Still we have to climb more. So okay. She has become pro climbing. And I have become old climbing. Her hands are free. That is the reason why she could or she can climb freely. And I am carrying this action cam in one hand and talking to you and balancing. So without guide, it is difficult to explore the caves here. That's why we had guide for this for a reasonable price, 100 rupees. And while climbing, we don't want to take rest or stop, because if you stop, we lose momentum. That's why we want to climb continuously. So look at her. She's climbing like a pro. Rani, ఇక్కడ ఆగమన్నాడా?
నాకేమంటే రాసి
So we have not stopped there for guide. We are just moving ahead because it will be slow if you follow those people. Let them follow others. Wife of second wife, third wife. Who is the first wife, second wife, third wife?
I don't know.
Okay. Some interesting people, right? Chinna Devi?
YouTuber. Second.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yes, yes.
What's your channel name?
Swami Vijay.
Swami Vijay. Subscribe.
Huh? Thank you, thank you.
Guys.
What's your name?
Hello.
What's your name?
Sairam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kadapa.
Kadapa, Telugu kada?
Papa from Kadapa.
Mukkodu. Coming with us.
Auntie, మాకేం కాదంటే.
Now which way to go?
Whichever way you want.
No, actually.
సాగర్లో పట్టుకోండి చేస్తా.
The guy told us to wait.
హైయెస్ట్ పాయింట్ అందుకే ఉండమని చెప్తా.
We'll again go down.
Did you go to the cave?
No, we have to go to cave.
That's the thing you're supposed to do.
Where is the cave? Where is the cave?
Water cave, you have to there, no? You have to do that, like people are walking there. That's how you come.
Okay. So this is the top, correct?
Yeah, that is one more cave will be part of this. Here one more cave will be, that is water cave.
Okay.
It's very light water will be.
Okay, okay.
And that's very cool. And that water is very cool. It's like ice freeze.
We'll go there and come back. Come.
Yeah. And come back.
Okay. Jogalamba. But we'll go to caves afterwards. But let us reach this place. It's slippery here.
Swami? Jagrata.
So I slipped there, but still this girl pulled me. Hello. Caves kora. So they said this is the top of this hill. Still we can go further, but we want to go to the cave. So now we'll climb down. I don't want to break again my right ankle once again. So let me climb down slowly.
How was the viewpoint?
Sorry?
How was the viewpoint?
That was good. So you are going to come to that place, cave?
That cave is over. Now we are supposed to go to that.
Okay, climb.
Bye. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Tell me.
What water cave will be tough. You need a torch
Okay.
and a guide you need because
There is a guide. They came now. Guide came now.
Be very careful.
Very careful. Thank you.
Back
You can check my channel now. You can subscribe. Maybe this video, it will take 1 week to edit and to post. Okay. The name is Swami Vijay.
You take me. Don't edit my ear.
Cheers.
Don't my channel.
I'm not that much famous YouTuber.
How many subscribers you have?
I have 4,200 only.
Nice. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, from here, I suppose caves. Okay. I suppose this is one way. This is another way. We don't know. So let me show you the starting point of the cave. So,